has no boundaries, right? Because it's a feeling and it doesn't really care about the difference between two people, whether it's economical or social or anything else. But why am I saying these things to you guys? Because today I have an amazing film. So hi guys, I'm Rajrupa Datta. Welcome to my channel and you're watching Vidar. And in today's video, I'm going to review the film Sir, directed by Rohena Guerra. So this film was played at the Cannes Film Festival on 2018 and it was released on March 2020. So 2-3 दिन पहले मैंने इस फिल्म का ट्रेलर देखा और मुझे काफ़ी पसंद आया. उसके बाद जब मैंने इस फिल्म को देखी तो I was just spellbound because I absolutely love this film and that is why I'm sharing these things with you guys. तो फिल्म की कहानी बहुत ही सिंपल है. It's about Ratna who is a widow but she doesn't want to become a burden on her family and that is why she has come to Mumbai to earn her own livelihood and now she is a housemaid. And also it is about her sir who has come recently from USA after calling off his wedding and now he is in Mumbai to look after his father's business. तो कहानी काफ़ी सिंपल है because it's the love story between Ratna and her sir. इसके आगे मैं आपको कहानी और नहीं बता सकती, उसके लिए आपको मूवी देखनी पड़ेगी. So now let's come to the casting of this film. So in the lead role it has Tilottama Shom and Vivek Gombar. Now we have seen Tilottama Shom in films like Death in the Ganj, Kissa, Monsoon Wedding and so on. She did a marvelous job in her acting. The way she portrayed the character of a housemaid who is also determined to achieve her dreams and hopes and she wants to become a fashion designer, and also how she is torn between her feelings for her boss and what society will think. So that is portrayed in a very good manner. And secondly, Vivek Gombar, who has portrayed the character of Ratna Sir. Now this character has definitely a name but I don't want to reveal it because it has a very good connection with the ending of the film and that is why I'm referring him as Ratna Sir. So he has also done a great job. We have seen him films like Court and here the way he portrayed the character of a boss who has fallen in love with his maid but also he wants to think as a human and doesn't want to think about what society will think about him. So both these characters are very believable and I don't think you will have a problem to connect with them. Now let's come to the positive and negative points of this movie. In the positive points, first of all, Rohena Guerra did a great job. मतलब बहुत ध्यान से और प्यार से इस मूवी को बनाया गया है. ऐसे तो इस फिल्म की कहानी में बहुत दमदार कुछ नहीं है. It's just the daily life of Ratna and her sir. But the way she presented silence in the movie, the use of silence in the film is really marvelous. And also in this kind of relationship where both the person belong from two very different society, we often think that it is very difficult for the rich man because how will he convince his parents and what society will think about him. But we often forget that things are other way around too because it is very difficult for Ratna also because she is just a housemaid and now she is falling in love with her boss. So what society will think about her? And अगर किसी को इस बारे में सब कुछ पता चल गया तो वो एक मजाक बन के रह जाएगी. तो that dilemma is presented in a very good way. तो इस फिल्म के कुछ scenes मुझे काफ़ी पसंद आए. One of them when Ratna and her sir is sitting against a wall and that wall defines their social differences. Another thing is after he confesses his love to Ratna, we see a house party where Ratna is serving food to the guests and the camera follows her and we see the society from her perspective. So that scene was really good. But the most heart-touching and amazing scene of this film was the ending. Because जैसे कि कोई थ्रिलर फिल्म हो या फिर कोई सस्पेंस वाला फिल्म हो तो या तो उसके एंड में उस थ्रिलर का एंड होता है या फिर किसी क्रिमिनल का पता चलता है, उस सस्पेंस का एंड होता है. पर जब आप कोई डेली लाइफ की फिल्म देखो so that ending really interests me and I absolutely have nothing to say about the ending. You just have to watch it and feel the end. और अगर हम नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स की बात करें तो मुझे पता नहीं क्यों इस फिल्म में कोई नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स दिखे ही नहीं. I absolutely love the film from the beginning to the end. Everything, the storyline, the editing, the screenplay, the simple direction. In one word, this film was simple, subtle and beautiful and I think I will give 5 out of 5 stars to this film. But एक छोटा सा प्रॉब्लम है, कोई भी ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म में ये मूवी अवेलेबल नहीं है तो मुझे एक रैंडम साइट पे जाके ये फिल्म देखनी पड़ी. तो I hope you will also find the site. And yeah, that's it pretty much for this video. I'm gonna go now. But if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, share it with your friends, and if you have any kind of feedbacks, you can let me know in the comment section below. For more such updates, you can follow me on my Instagram. Though it is not necessary, but I'm just saying. And please please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I'm on YouTube. See you guys on my next video. Till then, stay tuned.